Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Upwork profile for more clients. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your Upwork account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select the profile option from the drop-down menu. Review your current profile information. Identify areas that need improvement to attract more clients. Click on the Edit button located on the right side of your profile. Start with your profile photo. Choose a professional headshot that clearly shows your face. Make sure the background is neutral and non-distracting. Next, update your title to reflect your skills and expertise. Use keywords that potential clients might search for. In the overview section, write a compelling summary of your skills and experience. Focus on what sets you apart from other freelancers. Keep it concise and engaging, ideally between 150 to 250 words. Scroll down to the skills section. Add relevant skills that align with your services. Remove any outdated or irrelevant skills. Adjust your hourly rate based on your experience and market demand. Review your work history and make sure it's up to date. Consider adding recent projects that showcase your best work. If you have certifications or courses, be sure to include them. Add a portfolio section if applicable, showcasing your previous work. Make sure each portfolio item is accompanied by a clear description. Finally, go through your entire profile to ensure there are no typos or errors. Click the Save button to finalize your changes. Take a moment to preview your profile. Make any additional adjustments if necessary. Once satisfied, log out and view your profile as a potential client would. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.